ngizoba honest now mfethu i-computer ngiyazi manje njengoba bengila igoli khona mangabe mhlambe ngingena kuma relationship ngijola ngangisebenzisa ifoni kamamncane ebusuku nje ngangalali mina understand ngikhuluma ngangila
ukwenza kumuntu mfethu abe nento kodwa angazi ukuyisebenzisa ngendlela that is going to benefit him or that is going to be right. I really wish I was exposed to business.
Hey futhi leyo mfethu
Yeah.
mina la ngikhulele kwangazi ukuthi mangabe udayisa something une business uyahlupheka.
That's the mentality of black people, man. I was like, imagine if Omeg begenza a podcast in Chile Civil. Influence yakasikhumba. I'm not looking down on Sikhumba. Please Sikhumba yamfrostana. Sikhumba la ngiphuma khona 1632 acres.
Sure.
Yabo ngiyamfrostana Sikhumba.
Yeah, cooking.
Kodwa influence yakasikhumba ne-influence
Trevor
asifani.
Yeah. But recently Sikhumba uyashaya isilumbu.
Sibingelele yonke South Africa. Welcome to Real Talk with Amadoda Anyakazi Sumuzi, whereby we have real conversations about life in general.
Yeah.
Unlimited conversation
Sure.
But one thing for sure, they leave you inspired and wondering.
Yeah.
That is why we have a real conversation with Amadoda Anyakazi Sumuzi. Real talk kahle kahle.
It's a real talk.
Yeah.
Sibingelele mabunda mfethu right back.
Right.
No mina right mfethu I'm awesome.
Ikuphathe kanjani weekend?
Ngiphathe kahle but even though mfethu bengibanjwe iflu.
Flu?
Yeah, bengishaya but.
If we are playing so it's something else but.
Yeah.
If we are playing so it's something else.
Yeah.
It's just strange.
Yeah, it's strange.
It's strange cool.
But I manage it right.
Do you think COVID is a weapon?
But mina as I'm still trying to understand lento because it's man-made. Or is it indlela mhlambe the system of the government is trying to make money out of it?
Yeah.
Because I don't understand, but because now uma researcher kahle kuthiwa into yama mask abantu bebadayisa ama mask benza imali kakhulu ngeCovid.
Obviously.
Yeah. So I understand lento because of the way benza ngakhona, especially laba abadila ngealcohol sanitize.
Yeah.
They've made a lot of money. So at some point for me into your COVID, I know it's my view. For me into your COVID mabunda, I think it's a man-made trying to make money out of it. You understand?
Yeah.
As much as bebabulala abantu, but for me hayi mfethu kunobukirija
nomzapha bobukirija.
Yeah, so honest. No, I understand but angeke mfethu ukuthi out of abantu into ebabulalayo and when you make profit out of it.
But obviously, but remember that during crisis, others lose, others win. Crisis has a way of bringing up about an innovation.
Okay.
Every time when there is a crisis, just know there is someone that is going to benefit from that crisis, directly or indirectly. But most of the time, we have leaders that know how to create a crisis so that they themselves can benefit out of the crisis.
Okay.
Yeah. Remember, there is a department that is in charge. They say it's the World Health Organization. Yeah. Chances are, and Bill Gates, which were creating a vaccine. Yeah. They were creating a vaccine. So chances, who knows? Maybe they created a problem so that they can come up with a solution but benefit from the solution.
Ifana nalento le ilokunja, speaking of Bill Gates nabo banibani, the founders of Windows.
Yeah.
Windows but kuna lento kuthiwa antivirus, thiwa lento le bayicreateile.
Yeah, they created the virus.
Virus.
Yeah.
So that you crash the computer and you go back and buy again. So at some point, I won't lie to mabunda mfowethu, these things, the system zonke lezi. Yeah, uqinisele lento esho ukuthi abanye basebenzisa crisis so that bazokwazi ukubenefit towards leyo nto osuke uyenza.
You understand? It's like what is happening, I think, around It's around Cape Town. In Cape Town, there's what we call a protection fee.
Yeah,
a protection fee, it's like when you have a store, in a store, whether or whatsoever.
If you've got a shop.
Like you have a shop. Now what happens is these guys, but tumela igebengu zizoropa
Istoro
sako.
These guys, the protection.
Yeah. It's like there's a department. What happens is there's a gang boss, gang, the one that is responsible, sends abantu bayo to go and rob a store. Then the gang leader comes up and says, therefore, if you want to see Istoro Sakos protected, there is a fee that you need to pay so that you become protected.
Okay.
But little do you know that the same people that you are paying protection fee are the same people that was if it makes sense. So you need to pay a protection fee so that bangazi kustolo sako and go to other shops. This is the reality of the world.
Lenti yafana nasothandweni Mabunda.
Yeah.
Mina, as much as I'm dealing with relationships,
sure,
as ndilana ma relationship nje,
sure,
to be honest with you, I won't make money if abantu abagileke emjolweni.
That's true.
I'm being for real.
So
umuntu odila ngama relationship will understand and in short, understand. So at some point ama crisis anento yokubenefit abanye abantu. As much as uyabona nje mina if ngidila nomuntu ngikhuluma naye ngendaba zama relationship, the moment akhala mfana inhliziyo yami iyagida ngithi hayi ngiyagijima.
So kahle in simple terms is that in this world we need the left and the right. We need good things and bad things in order to make life to be life. Think about it, but if a school I'm a doctor. Think about it, but if you do not die, guys at the mortuary, they don't have you get what I'm saying? So this if I'm like I'm a police, I don't have work. So meaning to say you need the bed and the good for life to be the way
it is.
I wish you could take if you can check it.
Maravela.
Yeah.
Amawada azokatabane akekho umuntu oboshwayo.
You get what I'm saying? So meaning to say the world to be the way it is, it needs both the good and the bad. Then you are right.
Yeah, I withdraw my statement.
You withdraw?
Yeah, I withdraw my statement.
No, but it's the truth. But so we need those guys from the Mushar abakdingu fee. Nina mankala. There is money that is coming. So meaning to say this is the life that we live in. But anyways, it's been time, man.
Yeah, it's been time. It's been time.
By the way, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me take off this thing. Don't forget to like and subscribe here on our YouTube channel, bringing more content with us, Amatetanyaga Zumuzi. Hopefully it's gonna inspire you, it's gonna take you to the next level.
Yeah, because the aim is to grow, man, Buffett, in this channel. Subscribe, like, comment, and we're gonna respond. You understand?
We will definitely do.
And TikTok, Amatetanyaga Zumuzi, Facebook, Amatetanyaga Zumuzi, Instagram.
Yes,
we are working on that.
Yes.
Insta. You understand? So we've been on these platforms for a long time. Sibangane. Aboma sesikuka kugile nomabunda. Sibobaba. Umabunda. Umabunda ungene kuma social media ngathi uya fastland. Mbona manje? Ugcwele ubuso, ugcwele screenshot. Yeah, but no, man, thank you so much for the growth and man, and for those who are sharing our videos. Mabunda Void, what's cooking?
Today I want us to talk about a lot of things.
Sure.
Ukhulele FM.
Yeah.
Mina ngikhulele
eTembisa.
And these are two different areas.
Yeah.
On your side, which are iziphi izinto lezi wawufisa kwangathi ngabe waba exposed gizo kodwa sasemncane kodwa you never exposed gizo?
Sure.
And some of the things maybe oti if I was exposed to this thing, maybe by this time I would be in a different position or level in terms of life in general.
Okay. Number one, Mabunda mfethu, I'll be honest with you.
Sure.
Mina ngikhulelwe endaweni la khona angeke ngisho ukuthi sasihlupheka.
Sure.
Because sasilala sidlile ekhaya, ugogo will make sure.
Sure.
Ugogo ke ekhaya makathenga bekathenga impuphu beyiningi.
Sure.
Mathenga nje ushukela 10 kg flour, you understand?
Sure. Yeah.
So angeke ngisho ngithi hayi ngangiswela.
Sure.
You understand?
Yeah.
But ekhaya ugogo will make sure ukuthi ngisiba settle sonke nabafowethu.
Sure.
Understand?
Yeah.
Now but kunento engangenayo access kiyo throughout that time. I wish but mfethu bengine access through indaba zama computer. Mina ngizoba honest now mfethu i-computer ngiyazi manje njoba bengila igoli. Nakhona ukuthi ngipress nje ngingene kiyo I shake. You understand? Of which umntana wase ndaweni ephezulu o Santini uyabona le indawo nje e top, you understand? Ama library, library into engayazi. You understand? So and at that time vele ifoni nganganayo.
Sure.
Nakhona uBopopo kunale phone ekuthiwa uBopopo.
Sure.
uBopopo ngiphatha lo mncane mina khona ngawuphatha grade 12. Nakhona kwakushona umuntu othize ekhaya, then I was able to have access to phone. That's when ngaqala ukuba nephone. And nakhona mangabe mhlambe ngingena kuma relationship ngijola ngangisebenzisa iphone kamamncane ebusuku nje ngangalali mina, understand? Ngikhuluma ngangila. Yeah, but to be honest with you, ukube ngaba ne access through internet, it was gonna be simple. It's gonna, because number one kunabantu engangifunda nabo bebeshaya life science.
Sure.
And amangithatha ukubheka ngirecorder, no, these guys they had ama laptop. These guys they had ama smartphones. Smartphone mina ngicabuke manje mfethu njoba sengisebenza. Nakhona kunama phone bengiwakruka umama nakhona yabona. And nakhona mangimkruka umama yabo makafikile umama nephone. Mangimkruka mina ifoni ngiyazela ukuthi hayi ama game nokufona kuphela kanti mfethu there's more into this thing. Man, I won't lie to you. If I was being exposed in such things, you understand? I think nam personally ngabe ngikhulile. Cabanga sengimdala kangaka ngizoba ne access through computer nakhona now. You understand? So put one in le kuwe.
You know, speaking of that, nami one of the things that I really wish I was exposed to.
Sure.
Ngiyafisa ngabe ngazi the power of social media. No, I grew up in Tembisa. I had access to a whole lot of things. My brother used to have a computer. He had a computer, and unfortunately, the only thing that I knew computer for was movies. There is much more things that you can do with the computer. You get what I'm saying?
Sure.
For example, unokwenza kumuntu mfethu abe nento kodwa angazi uyisebenzisa ngendlela that is going to benefit him or that is going to be right. Other people ulwazi. For example, kunabantu who are exposed to YouTube. Everyone has a YouTube. But inkinga the type of content that they watch on YouTube. In YouTube there is column for marketing. In YouTube there is nothing that you need that you're not going to find on YouTube. And YouTube has become the new university of life. Because of there is no course that you're not going to get on YouTube. I do not know if it makes sense. So meaning say only if I knew at the time that there is a YouTube which is now a school and which is now a form of informal education.
It's an
you get what I'm saying? I wish I knew how to use it in a correct way. And as if it makes sense. I wish in fact I would have used it not for entertainment but for the sake of learning and for the sake of growing. And secondly, I really wish I was exposed to business.
I
really wish I was exposed to a business.
I'm sorry ngene emlonyeni but
sure.
You know mawukhuluma ngebusiness mina la ngikhulele khona ngikhulele kwangazi ukuthi mangabe udayisa something une business uyahlupheka.
That's the mentality of black people, man.
mina for me personal but like if nje ngiyadayisa ufana namajita labo wadayisa esikolweni
sure
umuntu adayisa amasweet like mfethu
you would think they're stupid
and that's bad
no, you know speaking of that I remember ayikho into ebalekile mfethu like knowing how to sell
that's another skill
that's the mentality put of black people they think that when you sell you are poor and not knowing but we use selling in all our daily lives but for example intombi
you are selling yourself
I don't know if it makes sense
as a guy
as a guy phela ngeke
and umtshela namanga
you get you're selling
because amanga khona selling
you get what I'm saying
it's a skill.
Number 2 whenever you go to find a job lapha kuma interview you're selling yourself so we are constantly selling in this life I wish ngabe I knew that skill on how to sell
enye but mfethu I wish ngayazi early
sure
mina la ngikhulele khona we taught ukuthi iEnglish uyikhuluma ngeperiod yeEnglish outside mase siphuma sikhuluma isiZulu ngiyafisa kongathi uthi ngabe ngafundiswa lento ngisemncane ukuthi sibu you speak English whether outside
or anywhere that's true
because number 1 if uzofika eKasi ukhuluma isilungu wena ungumntwana bona labantwana base school bebakhube bebasuka eGoli beze emakhaya nina so Tina futhi wethothi ukuthi such guys abafana nani cheese boy wakhuluma isilungu cheese boy wakhuluma nje isilungu wena emanileze ezithambile sikuthatha serious you understand so mina ngiyafisa kwangazi ukuthi ngafundiswa lezi zinto ngisesemncane ukuthi sibu you gotta speak man because at this moment Puti mina be honest with you I need English and now ngenzi informal education go YouTube as you said I'm teaching myself and these are the things that I was supposed to teach myself ngisesemncane while my mind was still fresh
that's true
you understand because now makosa ngibhekana nomlungu mina ePuti siyabaleka isingisi kuvele enye into
you know speaking of that indaba ye English
sure
recently I was watching a podcast and chill a podcast aka Mekchi ningathi siyayibukela in fact we were inspired by yona for us to start the podcast one thing that I've noticed the recent interview beba interview one of the greatest guys
Akon I saw that
then in my mind I was like imagine if Omekchi begenza a podcast and chill nesivele Eyo Akon barinini if ngabe ba
there was gonna be a barrier
and that was gonna be a cost of limitation for example once you use English whether in podcasting or in whatsoever that you do most people they think maybe no we are zenza no that gives you an opportunity to have influence outside the area lewazalela kiyo I do not know if it makes sense nothing just ngamadodana smoothie not that God cannot use us to have influence in different places but language matters imagine if we were to do the very same parables or in English
way
I do not know if it makes sense for example there are so many guys that we can say today they are called international artists or international comedians for example influence yaka Skhumba I'm not looking down on Skhumba please Skhumba yamfrostana uphuma la ngiphuma khona 1632 acres yabona yamfrostana Skhumba
you are cooking
kodwa influence yaka Skhumba ne influence Trevor as fun
but listen to Skhumba uyashaya isilungu uyazama and ngiyambona ukuthi
you get what I'm saying so then English has a way of exposing you to a different kind of level of audience. For example, recently, speaking about something that happened recently, one of the guys that I love so much in football, Coach Rulan, is moving to go and coach a team at Morocco. imagine if uRolando angasazi isilungu a culture using ivenek. Do you think ukuthi mfethu beyazohamba yokhuluma isiZulu leMorocco? Bengeke. How you gonna, but then for English iyenza ukuthi the audience ladibana nayo there.
Akhona ukurelate nabo and kungabi it's a barrier of language.
I still say
no, but iba personal to me this thing.
Sorry.
No, but why? Okay, no, it's not a bad thing.
Yeah.
But me personally, ngiba nalento ukuthi I'm a victim of this thing. I know, but I'm great.
You know.
I know that one is in my DNA. Vele uNkulunkulu yabona kunento ayibekile kimi, you understand?
Sure.
But self-taught English mfowethu.
Sure.
You understand? Yes, uMancele uzongisiza vele, but it is my responsibility now
to teach yourself.
Because ngifuna one day but ngishaya bombastic word ngithi you see Mabunda, when we are talking about a tree.
Oh yes.
A tree has got roots.
Yes.
And we've got a stem, we've got tuntuntum. You understand?
Yeah.
Going in details when it comes to parable, but due to the background
that you have,
that I grew under and the influence. I give enenye mfethu Mabunda.
Sure.
Ngabe ngafundiswa yona early.
Sure.
Abafazi.
Aibo. What do you mean?
Women.
What do you mean by that?
No, phela but angisho mawukhule ekasi ne.
Sure.
Ukhula kunabafowethu aba around.
Yeah.
And abafowethu ekasi othuma babona abadala kunawo.
Sure.
Baphetha bocherry.
Sure.
Amantombazana.
Sure.
Understand?
Yeah.
Umuntu vele ushaya ngocherry omuhle. Ekasi mfethu uma ngabe uzuthana nocherry omuhle, it was a big achievement.
Sure.
No, but we gonna bow.
Yeah.
Why? Because of
the woman. Quality of a woman that you have.
Yeah. And also if ushanga 2 or 3 abantu besifazana.
Sure.
But we will bow. You understand? Why am I saying ukuthi no abantu besifazana bantu aba right? Ngizweni kahle bantu abasika women abantu aba right. But mina iphuthe ngalenza during that time ekukhuleni kwami kwakuthi manje ngishifte ifocus izinto ezinhle engangiyazenza that is gonna make me to grow to be a potentially right.
Sure.
Ngayishifta lento ngayiletha focus kubantu besifazana.
Oh,
we understand. Isikhathi sezincwadi zami esikolweni bese hafuka because ngibhizinesi ntomba namantombazana. Ngiyochecka. As much as phone ngekho now and again. You understand? And i-stress eziza nama relationship nabantu besifazana ziya affect. You understand? That's why no metric wami uyabona le ndoda lena iphiwe esikolweni but inkinga khona la aphazamiseka khona. You understand? Abafazi ke bafaka lapho ke lapho. Oh, you understand? So if I was taught ukuthi mfana kithi abantu besifazana abapheli, abantu besifazana bahlala bakhona, focus, funda, build your life, then after you build yourself you can start now focus to women.
That's true.
Umuntu esifazana omfunayo.
Sure.
You understand? So Mabunda waba serious ngokukhuluma ngabafazi.
No, like I feel like it's one topic that most guys they don't want to talk about. But this is a real talk, and this is where we have real conversation. There is a scripture in the Bible. I know we're having a conversation in general. There is a scripture in the Bible. Lebe batanda okushumayela ngayo. I think it's somewhere in the book of Songs that says, "Do not awaken love before time."
Before time, ngalivusa uthando isikhathi singakafiki.
You get what I'm saying?
Sure.
I did not understand that scripture and I was against it when I was young. But now
you understand
it better. Because of uthando has demands.
Sure.
You cannot be in a relationship and there are no demands. Remember, the Bible says, for God so loved the world that he gave. The minute uthanda, understand, there is something that you're gonna lose. That's true. Yeah. Whether it's money, whether it's time, whether it's your freedom. The minute you find yourself in a relationship, you are most likely not to find time for yourself. For yourself. To develop yourself. To grow yourself. Now, we awaken love before time. As as a result siphaphama after ama breakup abekho abantu aba improve impilo njengabantu abaqeda ukushiwa.
And in one of my sessions engikhuluma ngazo mangikunikeza umuntu advice after breakup, focus on yourself, do a career, do yenze passionate easy. That's what I
realize how much time you wasted in a relationship the day you break up.
A relationship because it's in a ship.
It's a ship. Yeah. So after say Pella, that's when you're like, ish. I was supposed to think this. I could not achieve those things. Why? Because of all of my time and my investments was focused on that. But we been rule lap. I think me personally again, one of the things that I wish I was exposed to while I was young. Not exposed to. One of the things that I wish I could have done when I was young, I wish I could have listened to my dad. Yeah, I really wish I could have listened to my dad. I wish I could have learned from my dad when I had an opportunity with him. There is a skill that I'm looking for now, a stage in Sempilo Engliso, that my dad possessed. But because of influence of certain voices zangenza ngangabona ubaba wami ngendlela okose ngibone ngayo and ngimlalele ngaye. You get what I'm saying? For example, once ubaba wakho ephuza, you see the drunkard and you forget that even though lo muntu ephuza, he's still my father.
Ubaba wakho.
And kunezinto engafunda kuye ngazo.
That's true.
Let me tell you something. My father was a great storyteller.
And you could have learned it.
You would sit down and there would be people sitting down listening to him. People would literally come in just to hear the guy. Yeah, just to hear the guy. He had this art of putting seriousness and also being able to make people laugh. I'm a public speaker right now. I need that skill.
And you could have learned.
And I could have learned that skill from my father.
And
the art of storytelling.
And if you did that, you were gonna multiply.
I'm gonna multiply it, and I was gonna learn a lot from those. I was gonna learn, and I was gonna use this skill. You cannot become a public speaker and become a bad storyteller. A preacher is a storyteller. You are telling a story about Jesus.
Yeah, about Jesus.
Whether you are a business person, you are selling. Whether you are a storyteller. So it's a skill and it's an art that needs to be mastered.
Sure.
But I had a role model at home. I had a man that was good at this skill.
But you undermined.
I undermined him because of certain influences. But then now I'm sitting down and I'm like, I wish I could have listened to him. Secondly, I wish ngaspenda isikhathi esiningi in a time.
Yeah.
Because that guy was a well of wisdom. There was so much that I had to learn from him that I ended up not learning because of I was not there. Let me explain by that. Do you know Uguti, you can be here and not be here?
That's true. Even
you get what I'm saying? Yeah. I was here ngomzimba, but my mind was busy somewhere on the phone somewhere and not paying attention
to kunezinto ayikhuluma
to me.
But mfana nokuthi uthela amanzi emhlabathini.
You get what I'm saying?
And amanzi avela nyamalala.
You get what I'm saying? So hence I'm sitting down, I'm saying I wish ngabe ngalalela, and I wish I could have learned the skill of listening. You cannot become a great speaker if you are a bad listener.
Wow.
I do not know if that makes sense.
That's epic,
so,
man.
The first fundamental foundation of you becoming a great speaker starts from your art of listening. Uglalela and know how to respond accordingly. Those are some of the things that I wish ngabe ngazazi ngisasemncane.
Ogunye that I wish ngakwazi ngisasemncane Mabunda.
Sure.
Was being exposed to money.
Money, what do you mean?
Okay, mangithi mina being exposed to money. Maybe mangisebenzisa le gama exposed to money, being familiar
with money. Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Because imali into mina ngangayazi. I understand. Ngangayena umntwana ontshontshayo.
Yeah.
But mfowethu ukube ngaba familia mhlambe angisho ukuthi ekhabe bangangikherisa cha bebanginikeza lo 2 rand, but when times goes on esikolweni kwafika isikhathi la khona sesikwazi nokudla. Then ugogo, there was no need for us ukuthi asinikeze imali, you understand? But in most of the time ngikhula imali ingekho esandleni sami. So as soon as ngikhula sengimdala ngithola umsebenzi, lokho umsebenzi yana ngitholayo, I'm bad in finances. I don't know how to save. Yet kunabantu mabunda akunabantu mfethu abaqala ukubamba imali babancane. Umuntu bamnikeza 100 rand asave 10 rand.
That's
for me mfethu, as right now I'm struggling and I'm fighting
so that you can learn how to save.
Ukuba uchuda so right. Uchuda beka treasury, beka ptila finance. Alomfo. You understand?
Nyakuzwa
serious man.
Nyakuzwa Julius.
No, nyakuzwa. Yeah man, like put vethu. Like right now, ngiyangihlula ukusave, I mean. And ukusave put it does not mean ukuthi you have to start to save on imali seyiningi. You start ngalo 10 rand, you start ngalo 50 rand. If you unga calculator now mabondu calculator abo 50 rand ubabeke every month ubeke 50 rand. Uyofika mfethu December unemali that extra. You understand? Lo 10 rand for me mawuzongitshela ngokuthi manje sibuwa ubeka u10 rand hemfowethu. Do you get what I'm saying? So I wish I was exposed ukuthi ngibe familiar nemali, ngihlaliswe phansi sibu thatha nawo 5 rand beka 1 rand udle lo 2 rand omunye ubeka.
I hear you.
Angazi, but maybe when you cry because the finance.
I'm bad. No, but it's good men to recognize and start to work on that.
I'm bad.
No, and here's the problem with my terribleness. I'm terrible in such a way that I spend the game. And as it makes sense. If I was terrible in a way which when I spend it on myself. It would be better. Mina put ang mind vet with this song so singamajita there is 100 rand or there is 200 rand. Yokugcina and kunezidingo ezidingakayo. But simply because of nginani ang mind say I vet I was thinking amakod
iyogcina.
Kuyiyogcina and I don't even have a plan on how am I going to use it that way. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. But sometimes you need to know our boundaries and know what even discipline. So I am terrible at that and I spend now and here again, but not on myself. But to others. That's where the problem is. Mind, but if you can say Puti, I think we should buy something. I'm like, why not now? Or isn't it change your mind? You get what I'm saying? Although I know this particular money, it's budgeted for a certain thing, but our mind is redirected to something that in the first place was not supposed to see spend on that thing.
I think to you it's discipline.
It's discipline.
Or you're going to save.
I can. But I think I am disciplined. No, let's be honest, it's discipline.
That's cool.
But I don't think you're correct.
Oboni ngiyasheka for the sake of camera. I am cool. Let's jump to another one.
I think I wish I was also exposed to right mentorship. Right mentorship. I won't lie. Personally, I got born again at a very young age. I think around 11, 12. That's when I got born again. So I grew up a preacher. But I wasn't exposed to right mentorship in such a way, or maybe I was exposed to right mentorship, but I failed to listen to that mentorship. You get what I'm saying?
Sure.
Yeah, maybe I was exposed, but I'm not sure. But I wish mfethu ngabe ngatshela ukuthi mfethu uma udelike pulpit there is life.
Man, you can say that again.
Yeah.
I'm a victim of that.
I wish I was exposed to the right mentorship of people. Abazothi mfethu, you're not gonna leave Breathe Church. One day you will grow, you'll have children,
you'll have a house.
Yeah, I wish I was exposed to right mentorship to a point ukuthi ngigcine ngasenzi ministry my priority. Because most young preachers, we have a way of making a ministry the main priority, the main goal of our lives, and we fail to develop skills outside of ministry.
Sure.
If I was exposed to say you can still be a teacher and be a preacher. I had a dream at some point that I wanted to become a teacher, but when I seen teaching and its limitations of being in the forum class, I'm a great teacher, by the way, but I ended up saying I'm corner in that field. I'd rather be a preacher because of my teacher. They expect you to be in the classroom 24. Yeah, ngangazi expose and get necessary skills. I feel like I should have went ahead and started teaching at the time. And now come you Kali crash or something else.
Yeah. Because senza into yokuthi uyashumayela kwangazi ukuthi you gonna make money out of it, and umndeni wakho, umfazi wakho, nabantwana bakho, they're gonna rely, and you should have started business. You could have started career wise. Leyo nto yenza.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
After you have now completed your life. So iphutha engalenza was to prioritize in ministry and fail to develop myself in the process and get the necessary skills, economical skills that are needed in the world. Because we live in a world that is economic. Anyway,
so we are part 2. There's a lot to share. Ngizonishare ezinye ukuthi ngasifunda early nganga excel awana yiziphi lezo zinto.
But otherwise bafethu, thank you so much for joining us. This is Real Talk with Amadoda Nyakazi Sumuzi. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow us on all our social media platform. Last announcement bafethu nge 28 zaka September 2024 28 September 2024 sizabe sisematsulu ku All White ebukhoneni,
All White
worship experience with Amadoda Nyakazi Sumuzi. Remember theme, it's All White. Ticket, it's available on Quick Kit. It's Quick Kit. Quick Kit. Quick Kit. Now I used to think it's Quick Ticket. No, it's not Quick Ticket.
Aina ticket.
In a Quick Kit.
Okay.
It almost sounds like a